Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all, guys? I hope so. You all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So this is DIY craft videos signing in. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful and very pretty plastic bottle recycling craft ideas. These are super incredible and very unique ideas for you guys. I am very thankful to you all, guys, for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. I hope so, guys, you all are doing well. These are very amazing and very unique plastic bottle recycling craft ideas for you guys. Always think positive, guys. Always be positive and remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So viewers, always take care, guys. Always be happy. These are super incredible and very unique plastic bottle recycling craft ideas. Take care. Allah Hafiz, guys.